If you want to know what's trendy, all you got to do is look no further. I don't mean me, I just mean my blog post. Because in the blog post, I talk about how to use Google Trends for your marketing. Now, if I was talking about other things, I probably wouldn't be talking about style and fashion for myself. I could be talking about music because, well, I still love listening to CDs in my car. I don't really have a good digital media setup for that. And then also, I still listen to cassettes here at the office. There's also what used to be trendy that wasn't trendy and is now trendy again, your long-playing stereophonic record. But when using Google Trends for your marketing, it'll help you get the insight you need to know what people are actually searching for. If you're wondering why you're not actually showing up in rankings or why you're not actually getting any traffic, you could be targeting the wrong keywords. So using Google Trends and the strategies that I talk about in the blog post, I think it'll help you get on the right track. So don't look to me to be trendy, but you can look to this Google Trends for your marketing to be trendy.